5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So today we launched our AI Center. It's a location here at the North Campus where we provide our students the opportunity to learn and grow, innovate around artificial intelligence, but it's also a beacon for our community. It's about growing artificial intelligence in the community, understanding the need for artificial intelligence in the businesses, and partnering with those businesses to launch our program.
As she develops further. So we want to continue on to the tour.
It was really exciting to be here today and see the whole community and the state support this launch. And so the faculty were excited, the students were excited, and clearly local industry was excited.
Oh man, the robots. Let's go play with the robots more. One was dancing and one we were trying to interact with and it's following you around. I mean, we don't want the robot takeover, but we got to have some fun with the robots.
We're super excited to be launching actually by next year a full bachelor's degree in artificial intelligence and across some other programs like an associate, college credit certificate, which will be totally aligned with the industry requirements at this moment.
And now I have to go tell this story. I am part of the BUILT team. We're building a new applied AI program. So I'm thanking every student who decides to entertain the idea of becoming an applied AI engineer. Anyone can do it. I'm an example of that, and I hope more people will consider it.
Technology is only going to go up from here. It's only going to expand, and it's important for students like myself to be aware of this information and take advantage.
This AI Center will give us access to newer information to help address issues not just in our school system, but in the industry as a whole.